Why do people discourage using Java to make desktop applications? It is cross-platform and has a lot of useful libraries built in such as file I/O, GUI, data structures, and networking. I don't see any downside other than it may run slower than a natively compiled language program, for example CC, or not have access to low-level functionality, but it isn't a disadvantage if the program doesn't need these things. In the 2000s, Java became pretty notorious for being used to build slow and clunky desktop apps, especially corporate line of business apps. That's probably why you tend to hear these things. There's nothing that makes Java apps inherently slow or clunky, it all comes down to how you build your app. The main complaint against Java itself is that Swing UIs don't have the greatest styling out of the box and they don't fit in with the native styling of any OS, but that's arguably not a big deal these days since we now have many if not most desktop apps built using Electron with styling that doesn't match the OS standards. Who exactly is telling you this? Java is fine for desktop development.